How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, today's video, day 30. We made it. Happy days. So listen, can't believe it. Where did the 30 days go? Because I must say, it was tougher than I thought. Probably tougher for you watching it. But I must admit it was tougher because obviously I was shooting on the day, either editing that night and then uploading it for the next day, and then obviously doing work and socialising and living. So it was a quite nightmare, which I can see. So it was a bit of a nightmare to do. Took way too many hours. But look, we're here. So it's Saturday, so you're going to see this on Sunday. Obviously you're going to see the video tonight. We're going to be talking about, well, tonight as in Saturday night's going to be live. I made it yesterday. I'm going to be talking about the photographs. So just briefly, if you haven't already put your name down to be entered in for the photographs, just say you want in. Pick either photographs 1 to 6. All the links are down below and you can check it out and just put your name down. And what I will do is next weekend, I'll go ahead and I'll put, get a wee draw and we'll get it in. So look, I'm in Belfast. I don't know what I'm going to do today. Well, I know what I'm doing now. Those of you know I'm a animal rights activist, so I'm a vegan. And every other weekend we actually do like outreaches here in Belfast. We educate people, help them join the dots about the animal cruelty. We do food, we do videos, we do different things, you know. All nice, although it's a heavy topic, it's something I have to talk about, but basically yeah, we do it in a gentle way and we just give people the information, let them choose. And that's what we're doing today. I might do some wee video clips at it. But so look, we're meeting up in about 20 minutes. And what can I say? Day 30. Might get some street photographs done too. And I'll catch you later. There you go, guys, what an end to a beautiful day. Day 30 of my 30-day photography and video challenge. Look what we've got. Isn't that beautiful? I think I'm being shit on. It's worth it. Look how beautiful that is. Yeah?
Is it?
I guess that's cool.
Oh, is it up in the head?
Looks like it. I don't think I might have it. Both covered in shit.
Look up your mouth open.
There you go, guys. This is sending you love from Belfast. Thanks again for watching. If you haven't already done so, please do subscribe. You can check me out on Twitter and Instagram and Flickr. Check out the website rambleswithmcamera.com. And as I say, leave a comment down below if you want into this wee draw. Get a photograph and tell me what photograph you would like, and I'll do a draw next week.